This is about an adventure to the crater of this volcano, Mount Pinatubo. It had an ultra-Plinian eruption in 1991, the second largest volcanic eruption in the 20th century. The trip started at 10 p.m. in Quezon City. We made the 2-hour drive to Tarlac, where we decided to stay for the night. We slept in the car. The next thing I remember, we were being sold hiking sticks. I was still waking up. It was 6:30 a.m. At last, our adventure began. We loaded up into a little 4x4 Jeep and sped across miles and miles of volcanic ash. After about an hour on the Jeep, we finally arrived at the trekking point. We then started our 14-kilometer round-trip hike to the crater. Now we're beginning a 2-hour trek to the crater of Mount Pinatubo. We walked upon the ash and crossed some little streams for hours. We stopped and played with some animals. They were pretty cute. We pondered life and the beauty of creation. Finally, after a couple hours of what seemed like endless trekking, we finally reached the last leg of the journey to the crater. It was an upward journey to the final leg, but we carried on. We are on the last leg of our trek, just a few minutes away from the crater. Then at the top of the slope, we started to see signs of the crater. At last, we made it. Wow, what a beauty. A beauty that caused so much destruction in the past. After such a long trek, we felt accomplished.